2026 interior design trends inside a modern Scandi-Balinese jungle villa. The fusion of Scandi modernism and Balinese nature. High-end tropical architecture in 2026 is defined by the seamless fusion of Scandinavian minimalism and traditional Balinese spatial design. This approach strips away heavy ornate decor in favor of structural clarity, framing dense jungle landscapes through expansive glass facades. By combining clean Nordic lines with local organic textures, the residence functions as a light-filled sanctuary that honors both functional order and the wild beauty of the Balinese canopy. Raw material layering, teak, stone, and microcement. Achieving authentic Scandi-Balinese warmth relies on a precise material matrix. Smooth microcement floors and soft beige hues extend across the open-plan interior, anchored by local volcanic stone feature walls and rich teak wood millwork. Rather than competing visually, the cool tactile stone absorbs intense tropical sun, while warm slatted timber ceilings introduce rhythm, texture, and natural acoustic dampening throughout the living hall. Pocketing glass systems and indoor-outdoor flow. Essential to this architectural evolution is the total removal of visual barriers between indoor living spaces and the surrounding rainforest. Floor-to-ceiling glass pocket doors slide seamlessly into thick stone piers, instantly turning the main lounge into a naturally ventilated open-air pavilion. Deep wooden eaves shelter the interior from heavy tropical downpours while encouraging passive air circulation across all quarters. concealed warm lighting and evening atmosphere. As twilight falls over the jungle valley, architectural lighting transforms the villa into an intimate evening retreat. Direct overhead downlights are replaced by indirect warm LED channels recessed into wood-slatted coves and beneath floating cabinetry. The soft, low-glare illumination highlights the rough microtextures of hand-carved stone walls, creating a calm, cocoon-like atmosphere without casting harsh reflections on glass panels. The Monolithic Spa Bath and Investment Value. The private master quarters prioritize sensory wellness, featuring an open plan and soot anchored by a monolithic terrazzo soaking tub. Positioned directly adjacent to a glass wall overlooking a private walled jungle garden, daily bathing routines become a restorative ritual. Combining structural modernism with authentic Balinese natural materials establishes a timeless model for high RPM luxury real estate in 2026.